Hey guys, this is Taylor here from World RVA. Have here a 2012 Ram 5500, 191,000 miles on it. It's got an 11-foot IMT service bed, full set of ag body drawers in the driver's side front bin. Got a little smaller set over here in the passenger side front bin. Tall front boxes for your oxygen acetylene tanks, 7,500 pound PTO driven crane. And the back of the bed is actually has a roll top enclosure on it, which is really nice. Has hydraulic air on board. It is 4-wheel drive. Truck spent its life out in Utah, so it's pretty well rust free underneath. There's a little drawer set right there. And the body is in decent shape. There's a little bit of wear and tear here and there that I'll show you in this video, but overall, pretty nice truck. So as is common for these, along the see a little paint peel there, and the handles show a little bit of wear, but overall not too bad. You do have the diamond plate along the front, which avoided any rock chipping there. You have these nice longer style bins in here. All the bins latch, roll out smoothly. All the doors latch properly. You have a little bit of rust here in the bottom. Just along the bottom door sill there, if that makes sense. Manual outriggers on this truck. Got your regulator, your reel. Here's a shot of the chassis, crane and compressor hours right there. Got your wireless remote and your emergency cord there. Here's a shot of the load chart. And you can see a little bit of chipping here where some of the paint's peeled off. Point of these videos is to kind of give you a full picture of the truck. So if there's any questions you still have that aren't answered from it, just give me a shout, 804-716-8487. Nice big work bumper here. There's where your air comes out. I have the bed rolled up right now, but you can see in some photos that I've taken where that roll cover's back, it comes all the way back and latches over top. And the crane is set up a little bit higher on this block here, so got a little bit more height to it. So it's a nice setup all the way around. Really, only thing that would be nicer to have would be hydraulic outriggers, but overall it's a nice truck. Drives good. Like I said, it did come from Utah. It's where it always was, so pretty well rust free. Here's your hydraulic air over here. 35 CFM compressor. And you got full set roll out drawers there, and you can see along this bottom door plate there, same thing as the other side. That was a little tight. Minor rock chipping along there, just something to point out. We got a little bit of paint peeling along here, some minor areas. I'll show you the inside of this bin. So again, if you have any other questions, want to see anything else up close, it's 804-716-8487. Power locks, power windows, cruise control, pretty clean interior. The driver's side bolster here is torn. It's really the only spot of wear on here. Passenger seat's clean. Dash is clean. There's your 4-wheel drive here. An aftermarket PTO switch there to operate the crane. Get down the other side and show you the undercarriage there. So all stock exhaust. And then here's a nice shot of the undercarriage here. And that moisture down there is just AC from when I had the truck on taking pictures. So again, it's a 12, 5500 Ram, 4-wheel drive, 6.7 Cummins, 191K, 7,500 pound crane, 35 CFM, hydraulic compressor, IMT bed, enclosed, nice unit right here. If you have any questions, 804-716-8487.